As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two propane grills, the ChuMaste 3-burner and the Charbroil 2-burner. What are your thoughts?
Oh yeah, I saw those. The ChuMaste is definitely bigger, right? Like, it has a cooking surface of 464.8 square inches.
Exactly. And the Charbroil's only got 280 square inches. So if you're grilling for a crowd, the ChuMaste seems like the way to go.
True, but the Charbroil has a side burner, which is handy for warming sauces or cooking side dishes. Does the ChuMaste have that?
Nope, no side burner. But it does have foldable side tables, which could be useful for prep space. It's a trade-off, I guess.
Also, the Charbroil is lighter, only 37.5 pounds compared to the ChuMaste's hefty 51.92 pounds. Moving it around would be easier. And it's a bit cheaper, at $139 compared to $168.99.
Good point about the weight. But the ChuMaste has 30,000 BTUs, while the Charbroil only has 20,000. So it'll probably heat up faster.
That's a good point. But what about materials?
Both are stainless steel, which is good for durability. The Charbroil has porcelain-coated wire grates. Not sure what the ChuMaste has.
Okay, so the Charbroil has porcelain-coated wire grates, which are easy to clean but might not last as long as cast iron.
And the ChuMaste has a built-in thermometer, which is convenient. I don't see that listed for the Charbroil.
Okay, so a thermometer is a nice touch. I'm thinking the Charbroil is better if you're tight on space, need a side burner, and want something lighter and cheaper.
And the ChuMaste is better for larger gatherings, faster heating, and that built-in thermometer. Seems like it boils down to what you prioritize.
Yeah, exactly. Both have decent ratings, so it's really about your needs.
Cool, thanks for helping me think through that.
No problem. Happy grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.